reading their way to victory. Elementary and middle school teams across the district are competing in the second annual Battle of the Books. In the chapter book competition, students take part in a fast-paced online quiz testing their knowledge on the books they've read against teams from other schools. At Mossy Oaks Elementary School, the team read 5 books and practiced hard to win this round of their competition.
I read it one time, but then I felt like the parts that I forgot, I read over it again. And then I timed myself to see how much I could remember in like a minute.
So there was this Quizlet, and I kind of just did it as a repetitive thing each day as a daily goal for me. And I got better and better, and I timed myself each time how fast I could do it.
For the middle school competition, students were quizzed on 6 books, and Ladies Island Middle School showed incredible teamwork to win their match.
We all read different books, so we all had different knowledge about each question. Every Wednesday we have a meet during lunch, and we would talk about the books we had and get more books so we could study them, and we take them home and read them, and we would try to get all the books done or all the chapter books done that we were reading.
Now students from both schools are rereading their books as they prepare for the next round.
Study our books and look over them, like skim over all the pages and make sure we have all the information down and memorized.
We're gonna do flashcards, because the flashcards have more questions, so we're gonna practice that and time ourselves too.
About 20 district schools are taking part in the book competition. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
We won!